Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday and happy Christmas Eve. I hope everyone's safe as far as that storm that came through yesterday. And I also hope everyone has their power back, and please stay warm wherever you are. I thought I would come on real quick and show you a project I did, and also to just wish everyone a Merry Christmas. The project I have today to show you is a box I made, which I followed a tutorial by Ida, created to craft, I believe is her channel. I will link her channel below. She did a shaker shadow box, which is just beautiful. She has two of them on her channel that she showed. She also has a tutorial. She has a version of the tutorial where the shadow box fits into the actual bottom of the box, and version 2 of the tutorial is where the shadow box actually sits close. It sits on top of the bottom box, which is the one that I did here. What I used to do this project is this Cottage Cuts die, which I just love this joy with the Virgin Mary and the baby Jesus in the center. It's called Joy Nativity. I used for the wreath Aunt Elizabeth Crafts Design die, which is no longer available, so you would have to go onto eBay or find it at a thrift store. I think Spellbinders has a similar die. It's a Susan Cockburn die. Any wreath die will do. I also used the Sizzix Thinlits, the Tim Holtz Mini Greenery, and you could even use this to help you make a wreath. You just cut out a whole bunch of little greenery sprigs and just shape them into a wreath. I used a little tree wreath, which this is an AliExpress die. I used this Sizzix. This is an old die. I don't know if it's still available. The number is 656923. Like I say, this is a very old die. Again, whatever you have in your stash. I made this box with everything out of my stash. And then I used Heartfelt Creations, the sparkling poinsettia. I found this on eBay. This is no longer available, the stamp and the die set. But they have other poinsettia dies available now. And again, whatever you have in your stash, you could use that. So I'll try to show this. I have not glued down my flowers yet, my poinsettias. And the reason being is I'm not overly thrilled with the color. I used Distress Ink Barn Door, and I really want to try something, a different color ink that will be more vibrant, more deep red. But these are nice. I did the barn red, then I shaped the flowers. I coated them with glossy accents, and these are the little foam balls that you get at Dollar Tree. And I took some Stickles gold and just put some gold on the leaves, on the petals. I don't know if that shows up, but it's very sparkly. So this is the actual shadow box, and I hope it's not glaring too much. There is snow inside. This is snow that you get at Dollar Tree. And of course this is acetate. The paper is from an old pad that I have, which I believe I got at Hobby Lobby, maybe 2 years ago. Now the lid fits very snug, so when you make this, I would suggest you definitely put the little finger slots on each side so you can easily remove the lid. And then this is the inside, which I reinforced with some lightweight cardboard. Actually, it was a pizza box that's cut up. Now the inside, this is what I was talking about. This is the inside of the lid. So the shadow box fits right on top of the bottom. Version 1 of Ida's, there's a space here around the whole thing. So then when you put the lid on, the shadow box actually fits down inside the box. On this one it doesn't, it sits right on top. And like I say, it's a snug fit. There's something else I was going to say, now I forget. So I guess that's all I have to say about the box. I wish I could remember what I was going to say. And I hope everyone has a beautiful holiday. I want to thank everyone also for subscribing to my channel, for all your wonderful comments during the year. I sincerely appreciate it. And if you have any questions about the box, please just leave a comment below. And everyone have a safe and happy Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.